Okay, you guys, so to make this caramel for cakes, now this is just another way that I make it. I showed a video before on how to make caramel, but this is another easier version, and then I will upload another one to show you how to make it without condensed milk. So I started off, I had 2 cups of sugar, 1 whole stick of unsalted butter, okay, and then I am adding 2 cups of condensed milk, which this I just boiled for 3 hours until it came like to a caramelized form or whatever. It's so good. If you haven't tried it. So I just stir and I mix this up into my butter melted. You saw me just drop the whole stick of butter in there, didn't use the spatula to like chop it up, but you can definitely cut your butter up and put it in there in pieces if that's easier for you, for your mental or your vision, however. But I just stirred it until it got the butter melted so that it can be nice and smooth, and making sure that I'm starting from the bottom so that the sugar is not sticking to the bottom of the pan or the pot. So make sure your pot is a non-stick pot, you guys. Okay, and if I knew what heaven smelled like, I'm sure that this smells heavenly because it smells so good. So I let it come to a simmer boil, okay, on medium to low heat, and I just let that cook for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. These are the cakes that I bake, and as you can see, they look so perfect. Stay tuned for another caramel recipe.